How to change font on WordPress in 2023. What's the point of changing the font on WordPress? You might be wondering why you should spend time and effort to change the font. There are a lot of reasons, but I'll list some ones. It can make your blog more professional looking. It can make it easier for readers to read the content. It helps you to stand out from other blogs. You don't have to use the same font as everyone else. So let's start the video. Method 1. Best way to change fonts in WordPress themes. Changing the fonts in your WordPress theme can be easier if your theme has a font customization feature. From the Themes Customize option, you may change your font. Follow my instructions to change the font. Step 1. Navigate to the appearance. Then, click Customize. Step 2. Find the font/typography options. Now you need to find the font/typography option. You will probably have to go through all the settings as not every theme has the same font/typography settings. In my case, I am using Astra theme, and the typography option is under Global then, typography option. You might be able to locate it elsewhere. As a result, keep looking until you find it. Step 3. Select the font and save. You can easily change the font here. After selecting the font you like, just press the Publish button. The interface may differ in your case due to the theme, but it works the same way. Method 2. Add Google Font manually to your website. If your theme doesn't include a typography change option, you can do it manually. You will need some coding skills to add Google Fonts to your website manually. Otherwise, you may skip this step and go straight to the next one, where I have told you how to change the font using plugins. Step 1. Select the font. First, go to Google Fonts. Now, select a font that you can use on your site. After selecting the font, click on the upper right corner, as shown in the video. Then you will be able to see the link. Just copy the exact part that I am copying from the link. I have given the link in the description, you can check it. Step 2. Paste the code to the function.php. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance. Click Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Now you need a PHP code. I have given the code in the description. Copy the code and paste the code on the last line inside the theme function. There is a link in the code. Replace the link you copied earlier here. The way I'm doing it. Now check the update file. Step 3. Adding the font to your style sheet. Now go to Customize. Click on Additional CSS. Now you need a CSS code. I have given the code in the description. You just copy the code and paste it here. Now go to Google Font site. You'll see CSS rules on the left. Copy the code. And go to WordPress. Replace the code in Font Family. See, your WordPress site's font has changed. Now click on the Publish button. Method 3. Change font on WordPress with plugins, the most straightforward way. Using a plugin is the simplest way to change the font in WordPress. If you are a non-technical person who wants to change the font, but the theme does not allow you to do so, you can use a plugin to do so. So let's take a look at how to change the font on WordPress with a plugin. I am using Fonts plugin in Google Fonts. Step 1. Install the plugin. Go to Add a new plugin and install the Fonts plugin, Google Fonts Typography plugin. Activate the plugin when it has been installed. Step 2. Choose the font family. After activating the plugin, find the Font Plugin section. and go to Font Plugins. Click on Customize Fonts. Now go to Basic Settings. You can easily change the font of your WordPress site here. After selecting your favorite font, press the Publish button. In this video, I show you 3 different ways to change the font on your WordPress site. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.